dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
During potentially dangerous weather
Tests of the
situations,
signal are normally
specially
conducted by
built
the
receivers
National
are
Weather Service
automatically
in Mount Holly,
activated to
New
warn of the
Jersey, every
impending
Wednesday
hazard.
between 11
Tests
a.m.
of
and
the
noon.
signal are normally
If
conducted
there is
by
a
the
threat of
National
severe
Weather
weather
Service
during the
in
normal
Mount
test
Holly,
time,
New
the
Jersey,
test
every
will be
Wednesday
postponed to
between
the next
11
good
a.m.
weather
and
day.
noon. If
Reception
there is
of
a
this
threat of severe
broadcast,
weather
and
during the normal
especially
test
the warning
time,
alarm
the
tone,
test will be
will vary at
postponed
any
to the
given
next good
location.
weather day.
This variability,
Reception of this
normally more
broadcast,
noticeable
and
at greater
especially the warning
distances
alarm
from the
tone,
transmitter,
will
can
vary at
occur
any
even
given
though you are
location.
using a good quality
This
receiver in
variability,
perfect working
normally
order.
more noticeable at
The
greater
warning alarm
distances
tone
from
will
the
be
transmitter,
activated for
can occur
hazardous
even
weather
though you are
watches
using a
and
good
warnings
quality
for the
receiver
following
in
counties
perfect working
in
order.
Pennsylvania:
The
Berks,
warning alarm
Bucks,
tone will be
Harbor,
activated for
Lehigh,
hazardous
Monroe,
weather watches
Montgomery,
and warnings for the
Northampton,
following
Pike,
counties
and
and
Schuylkill,
marine areas near the
and
city
in
of
New Jersey,
Philadelphia, in
Hunterdon,
Pennsylvania,
Mercer,
Berks,
Morris,
Bucks,
Somerset,
Chester,
Sussex, and Warren.
Delaware, Montgomery, and
This concludes
Philadelphia.
the weekly Test of Note
In New
Weather
Jersey,
Radio All
Burlington,
Hazards,
Camden,
station
Cumberland,
WXL
Gloucester,
39 in
Hunterdon,
Allentown,
Mercer, Monmouth,
Pennsylvania.
and Salem.
Thank you for
In
listening to
Delaware,
NOAA Weather
Kent,
Radio All
Newcastle,
Hazards.
including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly Test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.
Actual emergency in the area. Please stand by for a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system. WNYTQIP has just conducted a test of the emergency alert system. If there had been an actual emergency such as a tornado or flash flood, important information would have just followed this message. This station conducts their weekly test at 5:15 p.m. Eastern Time every Friday. This station has now concluded their test of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume.